Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and PC. Enable developer mode and USB debugging, because that lets you transfer apps and files directly. Once done, install ADB or the vendor sideload tool on your computer and connect with a high-quality USB-C cable. Make sure the headset stays above 10% battery while working. These steps are essential. They remove permissions blockers and let you install a third-party file manager app safely. Next, transfer and install the File Manager APK with ADB or the vendor tool. Choose the build that matches your headset CPU, because a mismatch won't run. Run a db install r app name. App, accept any on-headset prompts, and then open the app to grant storage access. Once installed, navigate to Settings Apps if a permission prompt was missed. Give the app file and media permissions so it can read and write. This sequence ensures the app can actually manage files. Finally, configure shortcuts or set the file manager as your default file handler if the headset lets you, so access is quick. If the app crashes or misbehaves, clear its cache, uninstall and reinstall the correct APK build, and try an alternate compatible version. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, run a db logcat to capture errors and note your headset model and OS version. This information helps diagnose compatibility faults and informs your next troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.